Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this kind of preset in Lightroom Mobile. If you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now let's get started. Exposure plus 0.26. Contrast minus 4. Highlights minus 70. Shadows plus 87. And whites minus 100. Next go to color. Temp plus 25. Tint minus 10. And vibrance plus 15. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue minus 3. Saturation plus 7. Luminance plus 20. Go to orange. Hue minus 16. Saturation minus 5. Luminance plus 21. Go to yellow. Hue minus 16. Saturation minus 60. Luminance plus 30. Go to green. Hue plus 13. Saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 50. Go to aqua. Hue minus 100. Saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 20. Go to blue. Hue minus 26. Saturation plus 6. Luminance minus 21. Go to purple. Hue minus 41. Saturation minus 100. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity plus 33. Dehaze plus 17. Go to split toning. Bring hue 155 and saturation 10 for highlights. Balance minus 25. And done. Next go to detail. Sharpening to 8. Radius to 1.3. Masking to 28. Noise reduction to 40. And finish. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.